there guys, this is Ms. Hurst with another quick tech tutorial. Today we're going to be going over a couple quick things on Schoology. As you can see here, I'm currently on my home screen using my basic account. You'll notice that when I go to my home screen, or if I click the icon in the top left hand corner, whether that's your school or Schoology, it's going to take you to this feed section. This is like a Facebook feed. Now, if I want to be a teacher and I'm going to post to my classes, all I have to do is see this post button here. I can click Update, Event, and I can also publish a blog post. So let's say I wanted to add office hours. I want to add an event. All I'm going to do is click that event button, type in a time that I'm going to be available. Let's say noon. That's a PM. Call it office hours. I can add any details I want to see here. And then finally, I can just go down, and I always disable comments, and I can pick what classes I want to post it to. All of the courses that I am an administrator of will be here, or courses that I have rights to posting an update to. All the groups that I'm in will also be here, and my personal profile. Depending on the actual item itself, I may wish to post it to my profile. So if it's office hours, typically I'll post that to my profile. And I could also, let's say, post it to my tutoring group here. So now that I've done that, all I'm going to do, hit select. And the final thing I'm going to do here to add my event, add it to my calendar, is hit create. Bam, it's all done. I've now created an event for my courses. Now, I can also create an update or post a poll. Maybe I want to survey my class and see what they know. So let's check that out. So if I go to updates here, I can turn this into a poll. All I'm going to do is go down here and click the poll icon. That's going to let me pick some options. When I put my options, my students will then be able to go in and click and just decide what they want. I'll be able to see that feedback. Again, to post, you do the same thing as we did before. So, super simple, super easy. Post updates, polls, events, and other things to your classes across the board from the main page. Now, let's say we don't want to be on the main page when we do it. Let's see about events. If you go to the calendar icon in the top right-hand corner and you click on it, it's going to take you to your calendar. Now, this is a wonderful tool for your students that I hope that you'll use pretty frequently now that you know about it. When you hover over any block here, you can add any sort of event you like. So if you look, as I hover over the 27th, there's a plus icon there. If I click it, I can add an event or an assignment. Just like I did in our first section today, I can go through and add my items, click which groups I want to post it to, and call it a day. Super quick, super simple. What's nice is this puts all of the things that your student might need into one place so they know what's going on. Now let's talk the final place that we can post an update. If I go to my Schoology 101 section here, one of my courses, you'll see on the left underneath the profile picture, there's this tab that says Updates. If I click on that tab, I'm going to get that little box like I had on that main screen if I have the ability to post them. I'm not actually the administrator on this account. I'm actually just a student in here. So you can see I can't post an update because I don't have that right. Now if I go to another one where I am, however, you'll see that when I go to Updates here, I get that box like we had on the main page. Again, I can post any details I want here, and it's going to go only to this course. I get to skip that post step. I can still post a poll and have it however I'd like, and I can copy it to other courses after. So this is another way to do it. You'll also see on the right here, I can also add events right from here as well. So if it's one class specific, this could be your fast way to do so. All right, so that's how you go through and figure things out on Schoology to post an update, assignment, or event. Hope that helps, guys. Bye-bye.